everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creepy looking picture frame. I was making room in my home a few days ago and I found this bag full of my mom's old family picture, and I thought it was really a waste to leave them there, so I decided to use them again. Together with the photos, you can see I found my parents' old love letters and I felt really emotional. If you don't have old picture of your family anymore, don't worry, because you can easily find them in antique store, and a few of them are postcard, which are even easier to find. So, I don't know you, but I really like the way the antique letters look like. I was thinking to choose one of them, put it in a frame, but they were really personal and I don't feel anymore to do that. Maybe you will find some letters in other languages that you can use them, so few people are going to understand what's written, and make something very pretty, maybe with some dry flowers. I've chosen a mix between family photos and creepy looking ones. Oh, it may be the wind or a ghost. You tell me what you think. So this is my aunt, my grandpa, my mom, my grandparents. I really lost the count of how many pictures I look into. Really so many. An entire family tree, I must say. And sadly I don't remember all of these people, except for my grandparents. So most of the pictures are of my mom and my grandparents. It's really nice for me to have them in my picture frame and on my walls, but all the other family members that I don't remember anymore, I'm so sad about that. But anyway, I'm going to still enjoy them all together, and I hope that you can do it the same if you like it. But if you don't feel like that, you can also use a picture of different people. It's still going to be a really creepy looking project. So this is my final selection. It has already a good look, but this is not the final arrangement yet. So for the tutorial you'll need a big frame of your choice, and obviously I choose black, and then a black cardboard to be a base of your picture. What I did was removing the biggest photos and I put in the middle the only colored photo of my mom to catch the attention. Then I positioned all the border first and slowly I filled all the gaps. When I was done with that, I started to glue them with a brush and some Mod Podge. I may suggest you to use a little weights to hold them in place while they're drying, because mine were really hard and I was trying to bend all the time, so a weight may help you. And this whole process was about 20 minutes. Then I let them dry.